Hello, my name is Tracy from the Crafted Hub, and today I want to show you how to use our Bible study tracker template. So once you've purchased the template, you'll get a link, and once you click on that link, it will take you to this page. So you don't need a Google account to be able to use this template because this is a Google Sheet template, and you also need to be logged in. If you're not logged in, you will be asked to log in, and then you'll be prompted to make a copy. So let's just make a copy by clicking on the blue button. This basically creates a copy of the template into your own drive, and so you can rename the template to whatever you want. Make sure that it's something memorable so that when you're finding it on your drive, it'll be easy to find. So let's just name this. So now it's going to be saved as God and Me Time on your drive. At the bottom here, we have 5 different sheets. We have the README, the dashboard, the Old Testament, the New Testament, and the notes section. So the README is what you're seeing right now on the screen. This is basically your instructions. In case you're more of a reader, I did include this for you, and it's very detailed and it's very easy to understand. It does have screenshots so that you can be able to kind of see whatever is being talked about, and it's very simple to use and to maneuver. Once you become comfortable with the template, you can just come on this arrow and delete the sheet, but it's not a must you do that. You can leave it for future reference if you want as well. The dashboard is your visual aid of the template to see everything that is happening in the template in one section. So there's only one place that requires you to put an input. Everything else is dynamically prepared for you by the template itself. So at the top here, we do have a date section. The first one is the today's date, which will show you the date you're currently in. So today is January 14th, 2025. The start date is what will require your input. So this will be the date that you're starting to track your Bible study. You can just double click on this cell and a calendar pop-up will show, and you can say which date you're starting on. So let's just put that as our reference. This template we are tracking using chapters of the Bible rather than books or verses. So the check boxes represent, which I'll show you, they represent each chapter, and so the last chapter for you to read and to be checked on that date, that's what is going to appear on the end date. And then days taken to complete, that is the days between the start date and the end date. So below that we have some information for you. So this is the total number of chapters in the whole Bible, and then chapters read, these are all the chapters that you have read in the Bible. The chapters remaining is gotten from these two, and then we have a donut chart that shows you how much of the Bible that you have read with a percentage in the middle. And then below that now we have the progress sections, and it's divided into two. We have the Old Testament progress and the New Testament progress. They are very similar. The only difference is on the Old Testament progress, we have the books of the Old Testament, so from Genesis all the way to Malachi, and then in the New Testament, we have the books of the New Testament, so that is Matthew all the way to Revelations, but the structure is the same. So we'll have the book, and then below the book, we have how much you have read of that book, and then below that there is a progress bar. I know you cannot see it, but I'll come and show you. So every chapter that you tick, the progress bar will appear, and it will keep on progressing as you keep on reading that book. Then we do have the Old Testament sheet, and we have the New Testament sheet. They have the same structure. The only difference is on this we have the books of the Old Testament, so Genesis all the way to Malachi, and in this sheet we have the books of the New Testament from Matthew all the way to Revelation. So if we take a look at the upper part, we do have something telling you that this is the Old Testament, and then we do have, let me just zoom in a bit, we do have the total chapters. So this is the total chapters in the Old Testament. So everything from Genesis to Malachi, all those chapters are added up. And then the chapters read are the chapters, how many chapters you have read in the Old Testament, and the chapters remaining are how many chapters you have remaining in the Old Testament. So everything on this sheet belongs to the Old Testament. We also have a donut chart in the middle that shows you how much you have read in the Old Testament, together with a percentage in the middle. And then now we have the books of the Old Testament. So we have Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, all the way down to Malachi, and every book has all its chapters. And as I said, this is a chapter heavy template, meaning that we are tracking the chapters. So as you can see here, Genesis has 50 chapters. And then when you scroll to the right, we have chapters read, total chapters. So this represents the chapters read in the book of Genesis and the total chapters of the book of Genesis. And this is the percentage of what you have read in the book of Genesis. Let's say you've started reading and you've read chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. As you can see, we also do have a progress bar that starts to appear and progress with each chapter that you check. The chapters read has gone from 0 to 9, but your percentage changes. You're 18% now through the book of Genesis. And as you can see at the top, things are changing. The chapters read have gone from 0 to 9, and chapters remaining has gone down from 929 to 920 to represent all these chapters that you've read. Now, this is not a plan, it's just something to track what you're reading. And so let's say you're doing a chronological Bible plan, and you've gone all the way to chapter 11 of Genesis, and then it jumps all the way to Job. As you can see, it's still the same structure as in the book of Genesis, but now we have 5 chapters read from 0. Job has 42 chapters, and your percentage is at 12. We were at 1% when we were only reading Genesis. Now we are at 3, and we get to see that dark color that shows how many the chapters read start to appear. The more you read the word and the more you check off, the more that color appears. Now we see we have 31 chapters read. So this is 11 chapters in Genesis plus the 20 chapters in the book of Job. And now we have only 898 chapters to go in the book, in the Old Testament. So the same concept applies to the New Testament. And because the New Testament has fewer books, it's going to have fewer chapters as well. So we have a total of 260 chapters in the New Testament. So our chapters read are at 0. Our progress percentage is at 0 because we haven't read anything in the New Testament. So let's say we've come here and we've read all the chapters in the book of Mark. Wow, we've gotten to 100%. We've read 16 chapters. Kudos to us. We get to see that color starting to appear. We've gone from 0% to 6%. We have 16 chapters read, and the chapters remaining in the New Testament is now 244. Wow, we are doing great. We are doing amazing. We should keep up the consistency. So now let's go back to the dashboard. Things have changed in the dashboard as well. As you can see, before chapters read was at 0 because we hadn't read the Bible. Now it's at 47. Chapters remaining was at 1,189. Now it's at 1,142. Baby steps, we are getting there. Now we are 4% through the whole Bible, and we still get to see that color coming in. If we go to the progress area, we now get to see that progress bar that I was telling you guys about. starting to appear on the books that I have read. So Genesis, we're 22% done, and we get to see the progress bar. And the more we read the Bible, the more chapters we check off, the more the progress bar progresses. As you can see, it's further along in the book of Job. We are 48% done. When you scroll down, look, mark 100%, and the whole progress bar has appeared. Wow, it looks nice. The last sheet that we're going to go look at is the notes. So I just added this as a part for you to write down your notes when you're reading the word. I added a bit of a motivation. Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. This book of the law shall not depart from your mouth, but you shall meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do according to all that is written in it. For then you will make your way prosperous, and then you will have good success. So when they say this book, it's not this template, it is the holy book of God, the Bible. So yeah, a little bit of a motivation there. And that's it. It's quite a straightforward template. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram at thecrafted_hub. And if you want to purchase this template, please do so at my WhatsApp shop, which I will link in the bio. And just in case you have purchased it and you're using it, I would really like to know if it's something that is helping you, and if there are any improvements that we can do to it so that it can serve other people better. And if you have any ideas of other templates you would want to see, let me know. Let me know, so you can reach me on WhatsApp or Instagram. All that information will be linked. And yeah, I hope that this is going to be a blessing and a new tool that you add onto your Bible journey with God, your Bible study, and I hope it will bless you. So that's it from me. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye bye.